Have you heard of the Fediverse? No, not the Fediverse. That's just a cheesy pun. The Fediverse is a federated universe of apps and websites that connect to each other thanks to a shared open protocol.
That's the spot for a commercial break right there.
On our series, the Fediverse Files, we'll break down the basic principles of this new technology, and we'll talk to experts in the space to learn about ActivityPub.
It really is a rebalancing of the power dynamic.
The future of social media.
Can we go back to the original promise of the internet that anybody can set up their homestead, their own place, can own their own piece of real estate on the internet?
And how your WordPress website can be part of an open social network.
With ActivityPub, you can use your tool where you subscribe to content to also interact.
So stay tuned for the Fediverse Files. It's coming soon, and you don't want to Swiss out.